My favorite gift that I ever received was my brother and I got matching red electric scooters.
4 tires for my Jeep.
Nintendo Entertainment System with Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. Every kid in the 80s wanted that, and I got it. I was so happy.
Favorite gift I ever received was a Nintendo NES, and the favorite game on there was Lion King.
My favorite Christmas gift of all time wasn't really a gift. It was waking up and not having holes already popped in all the Christmas wrapping paper, and my kids actually being surprised because they didn't know what they were getting because they didn't peek. That was my favorite gift. It was the best ever.
So the favorite Christmas gift I ever got was a trampoline with a neck guard on it. I spent many an hour jumping up and down on that with my brothers and my sister.
Gosh, I can't remember what I got for Christmas last year. My wife got me a loose leaf tea steeper, which I didn't even know existed until she gave it to me, and realized that was the best way for nice hot tea.
My favorite Christmas gift ever was coming back home after being overseas for 7 months and being with my family for the holidays. What I want for Christmas this year is for my brothers overseas to be home and enjoy their holidays. Brothers and sisters, I'm sorry. I should have said brothers and